Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET question paper from the June 2018 paper. We'll be solving the set C of the Mathematical Sciences paper. Now let's start off with question number 64. In question number 64 it has been said that if A is the set T into sine of 1 by T such that T belongs to the set 0 to 2 pi, then which of the following statements are true? Option A, supremum of A is less than 2 by pi plus 1 by n pi for all n which is greater than equal to 1. Option 2, infimum of A is greater than minus of 2 by 3 pi minus 1 by n pi for all n greater than equal to 1. And option 3 is supremum of A is equal to 1, and option 4 is infimum of A is equal to minus of 1. So let's begin. So now we have been given, we know that sine of 1 by t will always lie between minus 1 and minus 1. So now if you multiply t on both sides, so this will give us minus t is less than equal to t sine of 1 by t less than equal to t. So this is the relation that we are looking for, and also t belongs to the set 0 to 2 by pi. Now if sine 1 by t is equal to 1, so that will imply that t is either equal to 2 by pi or 2 by 5 pi or 2 by 9 pi and so on. And if sine of 1 by t is equal to minus of 1, that will imply that t is equal to 2 by 3 pi, 2 by 7 pi and so on. So therefore we can write that maximum of t sine 1 by t, which is equal to t, will occur if t is equal to 2 by pi, 2 by 5 pi, 2 by 9 pi and so on. And similarly minimum of t by sine of 1 by t will occur, then that is equal to minus of t, that will occur if t is equal to 2 by 3 pi, 2 by 7 pi and so on. So as you can see, the maximum value of t will be, if we take these t values, then the maximum of t sine of 1 by t will be equal to 2 by pi, and that is the supremum of A. And similarly the minimum of t sine of 1 by t, if we check out from here, this will be equal to the minimum value of this of t sine by t will be always greater than minus of 2 by 3 pi, which is nothing but infimum of A. So therefore we can say that actually the statement that I have written over here, this is not entirely correct. For the maximum part we can write over like this, but basically for infimum of A means that t sine t is greater than some value, is greater than some minimum value, and that minimum value is minus 2 by 3 pi, which is the infimum of A. So my minimum of t sine 1 by t is basically in that context and not the other way around. Let me take it off for better understanding. I can take it off. Let me take it off. So this is the statement that I am looking for. So we have got this. So that implies that the statement 3 and 4 that showed that in supremum of A is equal to 1, that is incorrect, and infimum of A is equal to minus 1, this is also incorrect. So therefore option 3 and 4 is incorrect. This is what we have got. Now let's move on. Now So if supremum of A is like this, we have got, so we can definitely then write that supremum of A is less than 2 by pi plus 1 by n pi by 1 by n pi, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers. And similarly, we can write that infimum of A is greater than minus of 2 by 3 pi minus 1 by n pi, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers. So these statements are basically option 1 and 2. So correct option is option 1 and 2. So today we have solved question number 64 from the CSIR UGC NET question paper of June 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Soft's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.